Hello everyone. Hello everyone. How are you today? Welcome to channel Kubbe Repeat. This is my atte Deepa. This is my appa Vivek. Telling me sorry.
Namaste. Welcome to our channel Cook Bake Repeat. I am Deepa Prakash and this is my brother Vivek Parashuraman. Our Cook Bake Repeat channel has been live for last few months. So on this auspicious occasion of Onam, we brother sister wanted to thank you all for the love and support that we have received so far.
Hope you like our videos and continue to keep supporting us by subscribing, sharing and giving your valuable feedback.
Raisha, God's own country may be a brainwave that came in the mind of a marketing guru, maybe like your parents. But Kerala's story is genuinely intertwined with God's. Did you know Lord Parashurama created Kerala by throwing his axe and asking the sea to recede to the extent of his throw? I think he must have been a sensational javelin thrower of his times. But the honor of giving Kerala our national festival goes to Vamana, another avatar of Lord Vishnu, who while banishing the Asura king Mahabali to Padol gave a graceful boon to King Mahabali in the form of Onam. Raisha and me are ready in our Onam attire. Now, please join me and my niece as we give you a glimpse of how we celebrate Onam in my home. Happy Onam!
Happy Onam.
Raisha, Onam is the biggest festival in Kerala. और हम सब बच्चे बेसब्री से 10 डेज की छुट्टियों का इंतजार करते थे. आपको पता है, Attam is the first day of Onam. The ritual starts with putting Tumbappu and Tulasi as Pookalam. During my childhood, all our friends would get ready early morning, go around plucking flowers for Pookalam.
अत्ते पूकलम क्या है?
Pookalam मतलब फूलों का रंगोली. Flowers like Nandyarvata, Chembarati, Rose, Jasmine, Techipu, Kolambipu, Mukkutti, Shangu Pushpa, बहुत सारे फूल थे. हम लोग के गार्डन में तो सब होता था. After collecting all these flowers, we would make this rangoli of various designs. And once the rangoli is finished, then हम लोग झूला में जाते थे. 10 days vacation used to be filled with fun and playtime with friends and families visiting. और ओणम में बहुत सारे शॉपिंग भी करते थे. नए कपड़े, ज्वेलरी सब लेते थे. It felt like entire Kerala is out shopping on the last 3 days of Onam. These 10 days feels like Entire state is dressing up, welcoming the king Mahabali. Big pokalams everywhere, lots of competitions like boat race, vadamvali, पूकलम कॉम्पिटिशन्स, पंद गली है, प्रोसेशंस होते थे. राइशा, आपने देखा है बोट रेस?
नहीं.
Next time we will go for boat race. Even Mother Nature decks up the land in her verdant and colorful best.
പൂവിളി പൂവിളി പൊന്നോണമായി നീ വരൂ പൊന്നോണത്തുമ്പി ഈ പൂവിളിയിൽ മോഹം പൊന്നിൻ മുത്തായി മാറ്റും പൂവയലിൽ നീ വരൂ ഭാഗം വാങ്ങാൻ പൂവിളി പൊന്നോണമായി നീ വരൂ പൊന്നോണത്തുമ്പി ഈ പൂവിളിയിൽ മോഹം പൊന്നിൻ മുത്തായി മാറ്റും പൂവയലിൽ നീ വരൂ ഭാഗം വാങ്ങാൻ.
Onam celebration cannot be completed without the Sadhya, which is our feast. Its importance is captured in this Malayalam proverb, Kanam Vittu Onam Unnanam, which means one must have Onam Sadhya even if one needs to sell his property. It's a proverb. So, it's time to treat your taste buds with Kerala's traditional Sadhya dishes. Palada Pradaman. आप बताओ, आप उसका नाम बताओ. Palada Pradaman.
ये क्या?
वो सांबार है. ये
बस.
सांबार.
और ये
कालन,
क्या?
പയർ തോരൻ,
ये
മാമ്പഴ പച്ചടി,
क्या?
ये ജീരക വെള്ളം,
और
ये दिस इज बीटरूट പച്ചടി, ये കൂട്ടുകറി, അവിയൽ, ये ശർക്കര വരട്ടി, banana chips,
क्या? बनाना.
Let me take you through all the Sadhya dishes now. വെറ്റൽ മുളക്, ഇഞ്ചിപ്പുളി, മാങ്ങാച്ചാർ, banana chips, പരിപ്പ്, ഗീ, മാമ്പഴ പച്ചടി, ബീട്രൂട്ട് പച്ചടി, ശർക്കര വരട്ടി, ജീരവെള്ളം, പയറ് തോരൻ, ക്യാബേജ് തോരൻ, ഓലൻ, കാളൻ, കൂട്ടുകറി, അവിയൽ, സാമ്പാർ, രസം, പാലടപ്രഥമൻ, ചക്കപ്രഥമൻ, and more. Rice, pappadam and salt. Most of my North Indian friends keep on asking when will be the next banana leaf sadhya as they love the spread. Most South Indian households, sadhyas have around 20 dishes to approximately 35 dishes. There are multiple ways of serving this sadhya in Kerala itself. I am presenting you the one that we follow in our house, that is Tambram style. In our sadhya, we start with payasam, while you may have seen or experienced people starting to serve with salt also. I have uploaded all the recipes of the items served in this banana leaf on my channel. I request you to try out these dishes for this Onam. In case you wish to see all of them, I have created a Onam playlist card which you can see on video's right hand corner. Today you get a glimpse of what my family enjoys during every Onam Sadhya. This Onam is all the more special since my Michelin star critic, my little niece Raisha, is going to be the judge.
Awesome.
The sambar is served after the paripu and ghee is consumed. Followed by rasam. Traditionally, the payasam is served on the banana leaf. Nowadays, people prefer to have it from a glass or a cup. However, it's said that chemical combination of the banana leaf and the hot payasam enhances the taste of payasam by several times. This is followed by buttermilk served on the rice. Did you enjoy the food? Yes? Yes, it's safe to try out my dishes. I have received a thumbs up from my niece, Raisha. Do share and subscribe to my channel, Cook Bake Repeat. Thank you. Happy Onam.